This Wocloer Liquid-Tight Conduit Kit provides a generous 75-foot run of flexible nonmetallic conduit that is well suited for typical residential and light commercial wiring projects. The polyvinyl chloride construction resists corrosion, moisture, oils, and ultraviolet exposure, making it a dependable choice for outdoor and harsh environment installations. Its smooth inner surface makes pulling conductors noticeably easier, which is especially helpful on longer runs or when working with multiple wires. The included straight and right angle connectors snap together without disassembly and seal tightly, so setting up junctions and terminations is quick and secure. Because the conduit is significantly lighter and more pliable than comparable metal options, it is easier to route through tight spaces and can reduce overall installation effort. Electricians and do-it-yourself users will appreciate that the conduit can be trimmed cleanly with a simple hand cutter, allowing precise custom lengths for equipment, lighting, and control circuits.